Welcome to our step-by-step resolution guide for troubleshooting the df or h command hanging in Linux. This guide will help you identify and resolve issues effectively. The df or h command can hang due to problematic mounts such as NFS, SSHFS or CIFS. To check for unresponsive mounts, run the command showed on screen and ping or check connectivity to remote hosts if listed. To prevent the terminal from hanging, you can limit the execution time of the df/h command by using the timeout command. Simply run timeout 5dfhang. Tracing the execution with strace can help you find which system call df is stuck on. Use the command strace, df or h and look for stat or read disk calls on specific mount points. You can manually check mount points by viewing all mount points with cat var prox mounts and listing suspected mount directories with ls -mnt nfs share. Identify and kill hang processes by looking for processes in the diagnosing state, which stands for uninterruptible sleep. Use commands like pazauspa, grep sys, def, or mention command on screen. Try using lazy unmount with sudo umount. l-mnt ka nfs share or force unmount for nfs with sudo umount f-mnt nfs share. If unmount fails, restart affected services with system-ktl restart nfs client. Target or, as a last resort, reboot the system with sudo reboot. To prevent future issues, use AutoFS or system.umounts with timeouts. Set NFS options like soft, timeo, and retrans, and monitor remote share health regularly.